All right, I'm here with Rachel. Can you describe kind of like what Skylink does?
So absolutely. So then, actually, Skylink TV. So then we are a 24 hours Chinese station, Chinese TV station based in San Francisco. So then we are just right next to Crown 4. So then, which we are on channel 4.2 and Comcast 193, and we are offering a 24 hours non-stop Chinese programming to the whole Bay Area audience.
Oh wow, that's really cool. Is this your first time at the festival?
Not really. So then that is actually my third year of joining the festival.
Oh, okay. Have you ever been to Taiwan before?
Yes, I do. Yeah. So I love Taiwan. So yeah.
What's your favorite thing about Taiwan?
Of course. So that must be the food. Yeah.
What,
So
what food specifically?
I like orajian. But
Orajian?
but I don't know the English name of that. So
You're
but
the third person that said.
really,
Orajian.
yeah. So then that is just one of my biggest favorite. Then also and the milk tea, and so that that is just one of the most favorite things of Taiwan. So yeah.
Okay.
So
Does Skylink TV have like the Taiwanese like news channels on there too?
yeah, so actually, so then Skylink TV, so then we are partnering with 5 different TV stations in Taiwan. So then I think about 50% of our programming are actually coming from Taiwan every day. So then we actually have the same day broadcast with Taiwan as well.
Oh wow, interesting. So if everyone's looking for Taiwanese news channels or content, check out Skylink TV. How do they access Skylink TV again?
Yes. So then, if you are using the regular antenna, so then just tune into channel 4.2, and if you are using the Comcast cable, so then just tune into channel 193. And now, so then we are also available on mobile and desktop as well. So that if you are download the local BTV app, and you will be able to watch Skylink TV anytime, anywhere for free.
All right, very good, very good. Thank you, Skylink.
So thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.